Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, now see that picture when I see here. Now that soup now one make so the soup now groundnut soup and chicken. Okay, so this soup I use only chicken to make am. So wetin happen be say I dey my house. Now no say now my day now they always the day. But this my friend, she dey always they give me wahala. Sometimes you, but the wahala sometimes me too be like say I dey like am because na correct person na she be. So wetin happen be say she call me, she say she wan come greet me for weekend. Now I say okay, no problem, I dey my house. So when she come, she enter my kitchen, she check the fridge. Una know na I dey cook, una dey see am my people. She said no, those things when I get on my fridge not be waiting she want it. I was like, madam, what is it? Kilo day. What are you going to eat? She said, you get one soup when you just dey hungry. I said, which soup is that one? She said groundnut soup. That groundnut soup, you can't use chicken. Take cook am. Not put bitter leaf, not put spinach, not put anything. Now ask her, madam, we are kolokon. I don't understand because now when person they do olokun or they do ogun for village that time and then they make this kind of soup. She said no, she not they do any of those things too. But now waiting just the hungry and I be that. I say, madam, are you pregnancy? She can't laugh. She said no, she's not pregnancy. I was like, how you go just get up? Just imagine saying that this kind of soup now you want eat. No leaf, nothing. How the soup be like waiting the one you say do juju. You say now waiting just you hungry and be that one. Based on say she be better person, she be better pikin. Her mama settled down, born her wella, and now my good friend now she be. You understand? I have no choice. I got to enter kitchen. Una know now I dey cook. As I dey cook, that's why I dey eat. Now I come enter kitchen now so cook. Make I go make this food for her. Now be waiting na be see. So now only chicken, nothing else, nothing more. Just chicken and groundnut finish. Now they make this soup. So my people, if you know say don't watch this video, reshare. You never follow, you never like, you never share our video. You never even leave your comments. What did they happen? What did they share? What is happening? What is going on? Please help a sister, help a mother. Help a friend. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God highly bless you all as you they support me there. So thank you guys for watching, and this is the end of the video. I love you all. Please remember to watch and follow and share. Thank you all. Bye.